Hare Krishna. This is the first lesson of Mridanga learning. My name is Mukund Krishna Singh and I'm going to instruct you like an instructor. First we are going to learn 4 beats. Then we are going to learn a 16-beat mantra. It's just called a 16-beat mantra and its real name is Prabhupada Tall. So So if you are a right-handed, then your small side of the mridanga should be like your right hand should be hitting the small side of your mridanga. And if you're left-handed, then the small side should be in your left side and the left side should be hitting that side. So I'm a right-handed. So we'll start. The first beat that we're going to learn is Dha. You only use one finger, this finger right after the thumb, and then you bounce off. Make sure that your finger, like most of your finger, is in the circle. It shouldn't be like that. Like this part of your finger should be hitting the outside. Oh no. This part, right above it. That one, that's the right one. Then the next beat that we're going to learn, the second beat, is going to be Ti. So we use 3 fingers. So this finger we're not using it and the thumb we're not using it. We use these 3 fingers and we strike this just like Da, but we don't bounce it. We leave it there. So we'll just leave it there. Now you can practice. So next, we'll do in the left side for me. Then on the big side, we're going to use 4 fingers. These 4, not the thumb. We are going to, so you see this part down here. That part should be hitting like the rim of the outside rim. And you should have to bounce it off. And then the 4th beat is the Khe. Khe. So you use all 5 fingers, you spread them out a little bit, and you leave it over there. And make sure all your fingers should be in the brownish kind of circle. Or like if your fingers are too big, then it's fine if they go a little out. And then you leave it there. And you can practice. So now we can learn the 16-beat mantra. So it's divided into 3 parts. Here's how it sounds. So that's how it sounds. So we divide that into 4 parts. So the first part is Khe, then it's like a small pause. Khe, Khe Ti, then Khe, Khe, and then right after the second Khe, there's like you go really quickly to Ti. So it's like then you go like Khe, Khe Ti, Khe, Khe Ti, and then in that same part, it's like a Ge, so the open 4 finger, Ge, so it should be like Khe Ti Ge, Khe Ti Ge. So that's, and then you have to add Dha. This is a new beat. So the Dha is a Ge, here, Ge, and Dha over here. It's combined. So it is Dha. In the right side and the left side, it is all open. So it's Dha, Dha. So we do it only once. And then, so we do Khe Ti Ge Dha, 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 Khe Ti Ge Dha. So we can practice that. That's just the first part. Then in the second part, it is very easy. It's like Ge, open 4 fingers, then Dha. It's open in this side and open here. So it is like, it's like Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha. So it sounds like Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha. So it is like Ge Dha, then Ge Dha again, then Dha again. So it's like Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha. 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 So that's the second part. Now the third part only has 3 beats. It is Ta Ta Ta. So it will be Ta 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 Ta. And then it's like a big pause, and then you go Ta. And then when you keep playing it like Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha, when you play the whole mantra, then in the end, like it sounds like this. Ta 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 Khe. So it sounds like the Ta is like in the front of the mantra. It sounds like it, but it's the last one. It's like Ta Khe. So then we put it all together, and then we do Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta 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 Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta 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 Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta 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 Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta Ti Ta Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta 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 Khe Ti Ge Dha Ge Dha Ge Dha Dha Ta Ta Ta. So that's the mantra. Now we can practice it with the Kirtan. So remember, this is the rule of the mantra. You can only play it in the slow beats. Like you can't play it on Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. You only play it on slow. Like Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So you play it on the only slow mantras, and then when it is like Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So when you do that in slow, when you are in the end part, like when you are in Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So you don't just keep going da da da. Okay, so you there's like a, it's called Ti high. So in the Ti high, you play like something like the first one, the basic one that you're going to learn is playing Khe. So Khe, Khe, and then Ta, Khe, Ta, and then Jha. Khe Ta, Dha. So Jha, you can think it as like Khe Ta, Dha, or you can say Jha, and Jha is like the same thing. Dha, like Dha is a Ge and Ta. So Jha is the same thing, Ge and Ta. So then you will play Khe Ta, Jha, Khe Ta, Jha, Khe Ta, Jha. That's the first thing that you'll play, like the most basic thing. So it will sound like this. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So you do that 3 times. So it's like Khe Ta, Jha, Khe Ta, Jha, Khe Ta, Jha. And to make that more advanced, you can be like Khe Ta, Jha, Khe Ta, Jha. And then on the third one you do Khe Ta, like something like Dha Ta, like Ge, Ta, Ge Ta, Dha. Like it will sound like Khe Ta, Jha. So it will sound like this. I'm just skipping into it. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Khe Ta, Khe Ta, Jha. So it will sound like that to make it more advanced. And this is the end of the first lesson of Mridanga learning. Hare Krishna.